Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of MarketplaceValet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about using Amazon's Vine program for reviews. Let's get into it. Just follow along with my screen. We're diving into Amazon's Vine program, a powerful tool for generating reviews. Let's get started. Amazon Vine is an invitation-only program designed to help sellers generate authentic reviews for their products. To participate, navigate to your Amazon Seller Central account and click on Advertising in the burger icon menu. Select Vine from the options. Here, you can enroll eligible products. Amazon will then invite trusted reviewers to provide honest feedback. These reviewers are known for their thorough and unbiased assessments. Once your product receives reviews through Vine, they are labeled with a Vine Customer Review of Free Product badge, ensuring transparency. This badge helps customers identify genuine opinions from verified purchases. Using Vine can significantly boost your product's credibility and visibility on Amazon. It's a valuable tool for building trust and enhancing your brand's reputation. That's it for using Amazon's Vine program for reviews. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at MarketplaceValet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching.